You've entered our waters without a hint of fear.
Is that black pearl cookie? No. That's too nice. No. Oh my god!
Gem mermaids live to protect the kingdom.
You know what? I love her. She's a super epic. I'm so shocked. Oh, I was gonna say, like, what? I hate onion cookies. She's so ugly. You know what? Fancy cookie. Alright. Oh, you old hag. So boring. But stop giving all the cookies out already. Oh my, I swear to, if that onion cookie, pancake cookie's so cute. It's so cute. I can't go. You can't go. Old hag.
Bored.
Oh my god, I did not just get me. Oh my god, you what? I did not just get these cookies. Oh, Allah.
Your destruction shall be my greatest pleasure.
I don't know what to do. Oh my god. Oh no, I did not just get a bad blow with that. Oh, you old hag, I hate you so much. I'm burning with fire. Throw yourself in a fire. Leave me alone. Skipping. Hey, I got espresso cookie. I already got espresso cookie, but you know what? I love espresso cookie. But I am not upset. We got burning spice cookie. I am buzzing.